Hello guys, this is Arkneil Gaming. We are on the second account and we're going to get Moscov's Infernal Wormlord skin. We're going to exchange it for 800 tokens. Let's see what number will we get it.
Awaken Dreadworm, the tyrant of wrath, and burn this wretched world.
427,723. So there are 400,000 players who got this skin on the silver. So Mundon must have earned a lot of money from this event. It's a 387 skin for us. Hope you got yours already because this is the last day. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.